Ever stared at a blank page, struggling to come up with that perfect idea for a personal project, a new hobby, or even just a fun weekend activity? We've all been there, right? What if you had an always-on, super smart brainstorming partner right at your fingertips? One that never gets tired, never runs out of suggestions, and can help you unlock incredible creativity for literally any project? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the exciting world of AI idea generators. These aren't just fancy tech tools, they're your personal brainstorming assistants, ready to zap away creative blocks and spark inspiration whenever you need it. And the best part? Many of them are completely free and super easy to use, even if you're a total beginner to AI. Think of it, no more endless scrolling for inspiration, just instant, tailored ideas. So, how do you tap into this creative superpower? It all comes down to something called prompting. Don't let that word intimidate you. It just means giving the AI clear instructions. The key is to be specific and give it context. Instead of just saying "give me ideas," try something like, "generate 5 unique DIY craft ideas for beginners using only items found around the house, like old clothes and cardboard." See the difference? You're painting a clear picture for the AI, and it loves that. The more detail you provide about your project, your interests, or even your skill level, the more amazing and relevant the ideas will be. Think of it as guiding a super intelligent intern. You wouldn't just say "do something," right? You'd say "create a report on X for Y audience, focusing on Z." Same principle here. Let's look at some real-world examples. For your hobbies, maybe you want to start a new photography project but feel stuck. Ask the AI, "Give me 3 unique photography project themes for a beginner using only a smartphone camera, focusing on urban landscapes." Boom! Instant inspiration. Or perhaps you're into gardening. Suggest 5 low-maintenance indoor plant ideas for someone with a busy schedule, including tips for care. For personal projects, thinking of a side hustle? Generate 5 creative small business ideas for someone passionate about sustainability, with a low startup cost. Need to organize your life? Brainstorm 3 innovative ways to declutter a small apartment, making the most of vertical space. For daily challenges, even everyday dilemmas can be solved. Suggest 3 quick and healthy dinner recipes using chicken and vegetables that take less than 20 minutes to prepare. Or, give me 5 fun and educational activities to do with a 5-year-old on a rainy day, focusing on science concepts. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, here are a few pro tips to get the absolute best out of your AI brainstorming partner. First, iterate and refine. Don't settle for the first answer. If an idea is close but not quite right, tell the AI. Say, "That's good, but can you make it more adventurous?" or expand on the second idea, focusing on eco-friendly materials. Second, combine ideas. Sometimes the AI gives you 2 great ideas separately. Mix them together. See what magic happens when you blend different concepts. Third, don't be afraid to experiment. Try crazy prompts. Ask for ideas from the perspective of a fictional character or for concepts that defy gravity. You never know where that unexpected prompt might lead. The AI is a tool to spark your imagination, not replace it. It's like having a super creative friend who's always ready to bounce ideas around. So, there you have it. Your ultimate guide to using AI idea generators to banish creative blocks and inject fresh inspiration into every corner of your life. From hobbies to personal growth, these tools are game changers for anyone looking to unlock their creative potential. No more blank pages, just endless possibilities. If you found this video helpful and are excited to try out these AI idea generators, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Tools and Tech for more practical tips and insights into the amazing world of artificial intelligence. And let me know in the comments below, what's the first project you're going to tackle with your new AI brainstorming assistant? I can't wait to hear your ideas.